No positive. Positive emotion means elimination of negative states. Don't try to enter into paradise or celestial states, because that is something that only cults, religions, and many other discipline, let's call disciplines, you know, tried to teach us. But just being without negative emotions is a success. That is success, because we live in negative states all the time long, every day, every hour, every second. We are always in we can laugh to something, we can have a good moment, we can have sex, we can have but that is not absence of negative states, negative emotions. The absence of negative emotions happens only in absence of time, in absence of fear, in absence of death. Then you have to work on that and see that there is some pain within yourself, or it is hiding in the innermost recesses of your being. You just be there until it fades away, and you will see that things coming. If you are able to witness what is coming from outside, it will be incredible. If you really are able to be there, face your negative emotions until it fades away, you will see that from outside it comes soon something that will tell you you have been successful. But we take everything for granted. I don't know if you understand what I mean. We take everything for granted. Then we don't pay attention to that very thing that in time, in a few minutes, corresponds to that conquest within yourself, that victory within yourself. We take it for granted, but it was your own powerful witnessing that negative states that created that solution, that answer, that victory.